In the previous lecture, we have discussed the unit and dimensions exercise of NCERT. Now, question number 2.2 discussed very well. Now, we are discussing question number 2.3. A calorie is a unit of heat energy and it is equal to the above 4.2, where 1 joule is equal to 4.2 calorie. Suppose we employ a new unit on which unit mass is alpha kg, unit is taken to be beta meter, and unit of time in seconds. Now we have defined a new unit in the new system. We have to see that 1 joule solution. 1 joule is equal to 4.2 calorie. 1 joule is equal to 4. We What is the formula we are using here? What is the formula we are using here? Now we are using the formula of N1U1 is equal to N2U. In the previous lectures, 3 lectures, we have discussed this formula. N1U1 is equal to N2U2. Now, what is the N1? We have to take 2 conversions. First is SI units and second is new unit. New unit. Now, N1 equal to 4.2. Mass M is taken in kg. Now M2 L1 is taken as meter and time is taken in seconds. This is the basic units we have to use. In the new unit, N2 we have to unknown value and we have M2. M2 is equal to alpha kg. This is unity, and this is unity. This is alpha kg. Length L2 is measured in beta, because we have to here in the new system beta meter, alpha kg, and time is in gamma seconds, and t is taken into be gamma seconds. This is the N1 and U1, and we place the value here. Joule is the energy of energy. Joule is the unit of heat, and heat is the heat. What is the dimension of the heat? Heat is the energy, and the dimension of energy is m L square T की power -2. Here this is the dimension of energy. How we can define the dimension of energy? Work is equal to force into displacement. What is the dimension of force? ml T की power -2. Mass into acceleration into d. It means work is also a energy, and its dimension formula is this. We have already discussed in the previous lecture. The dimensional formula of the energy is this. Now we place the value of this N1. N1 is 4.2. What is the U1? U1 is M. M means 1. M1, L1, T1 and T is equal to, we know the value of, it does not know the value of N2. N2 is here, and mass is M2, and this is L2, and this is T2. What is the value of N2? Is equal to 4.2 M1 upon M2, L1 upon L2, and T1 upon. But here this is the dimension of energy. It means if we have to place the value of A, B and C, here A, this factor to be compared by this factor, it means A equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to -2. Here we compare the form of energy. This is the form of energy. We compare the form of energy and we compare these values. It means placing these values in these factors, then N2 is equal to 4.2, M1 is 1 kg, M2 is in alpha kg. This is power of 1, because the value of A is 1. In the new unit, L1 is equal to 1, L2 is equal to beta and B की power this is equal to 2. Now another T, time is in 1 second, in new unit time is gamma and power of C is minus 2. We place these values in correct form. 4.2 alpha की power minus 1, beta की power minus 2, gamma का square. We have to prove the new unit. This is the new unit of heat. New unit of heat. This is the correct explanation. We have to compare these factors with the factor of energy, and we know the dimension of energy when we compare these factors with this. And but this is the new unit. This is the question number 2.3. After the continuation of 2.4, the explanation is that the various atoms as compared to another atoms, anything is compared to with respect to another atom. The mass of another atom is compared to another atom, that we can say the mass of the system is comparable and the mass of the system is non-comparable.